Hi, my name is Juan Pablo Barca, and the place that I want to talk is San Andres Island. San Andres is an island in the Caribbean Sea and is famous for have the seven colors, the sea of seven colors. San Andres, you can do visit malls and buy liquors and perfumes very cheap and play sports aquatic is is recommended for this and the beach of all the island is very beautiful and you can go uh, and visit places to tourists and like aquarium and the Morgan Cave. Aquarium is like another island close to San Andres and have guides. They um, help to explain all about uh, fish and plants on the water and they explain all about this. And the Morgan Cave is a place when a pirate saved all the steals, the other boats or ships, and save all the money they in this part of the island. And really recommend this place for all this reason and uh, I know all the people that visit the island they wanna come back. Um, this is it.